Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to start with a new data structure, that is queue, right? So what is queue? A queue is a data structure which follows the order of first in, first out, that is FIFO. Now what is this order, right? Whatever the element inserted first is the first to come out as well, right? It's opposite to what we had in stack. In a stack, what we had? LIFO, last in first out. Whatever element was entered last was the first to come out. In this one, it's not the same. It's whatever enters first is the first to come out as well. If I talk about use cases, so in printers you have jobs. So a printer executes those jobs one after another, however they are there in the queue. That is one example. The bigger applications like Book My Show and all that, right? You have concepts of ticket booking. Wherever you have those priority systems, right? Every single place you have this queue data structure used or implemented somehow. So those are just few of the use cases where queue is useful. If you want to see some small demo in Java, let me use that. Now queue, as we see, queue is a interface, right? So we need some implementation as well. We are going to use a predefined implementation which is array DQ, right? DQ basically stands for double-ended queue and all. Don't worry about that, I'll explain that later. But for now, just so that you know, this array DQ is in one of the implementation. So if you want to enter queue dot add, let's add 10 there. Let's add two more parameters. Let's add two more elements, 20 and 30. Now if we remove, right, queue dot remove, since stack whatever element we entered last, right, that was supposed to come out first. In queue, whatever element we have entered first is the first to come out. These are in the queue. So in the queue, first one is the 10 to come out. So if you want to print this, whatever the element we removed, right, it should be 10. So let's see. Now it is 10. Perfect. Now let's try to print our queue and see if we are able to get the elements in the queue. And we are able to get. So we have 20, 30, right? So in queue we have a concept of front and rear, right? So whenever you want to remove the elements from the queue, they are removed from the front, right? So currently 20 is at the front. Earlier 10 was at the front, that's why 10 was removed. Now 20 is at the front. Now 30 is at the rear end of the queue. Now there are other terminologies like circular queue and all. I'll be explaining that also after few questions. But this is just a basic implementation of the queue. Actually not even the implementation. I have just told you how we are using the queues in Java. In further videos we'll be implementing all these methods by ourselves. So let's do a recap. What is a queue? A queue is a data structure in Java which follows the FIFO order, which is first in, first out. Whatever element we enters first is the first one to come out. The use cases in operating system, the process queue. We have real-time queues at the theaters. Also in the Book My Show, ticket allotment system. This we have just seen the demo with the add and remove method. And the main terminologies are front and rear. So whatever element we enters first is at the front of the queue. Whatever element is then added last is at the rear end of the queue. Bit theoretical, I understand, but in next videos you will be understanding how these methods are working internally. I'll be implementing them by yourself as well. So that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.